Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Please feel free to write to walkwithtak@gmail.com if you have any question regarding to this video or any other videos that I've posted in the past. If you have a video that you would like me to make, please let me know. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Now, this video is a good demonstration of the application of the fast cooking system, which is flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking. The most important thing is that how flavor chasing, when you combine with template-based cooking, allow you to cook a fried rice exactly how you would like it. Now, this is a fried rice that is made with ham. Now, it turned out that to make ham fried rice, you need to choose the right kind of ham. The ham that have enough moisture and have enough flavor. And the ham that I find out to be perfect for making fried rice is this ham which comes in a can made by a company called Brookdale. And you can find that in many places such as Walmart or Aldi. Now, I will explain to you why this ham is so good in making this ham fried rice. In fact, this ham fried rice is my son's favorite. And every time when I ask him what kind of fried rice that he would like, he will always ask me to make this ham fried rice. Now, I'm going to make sure that my wok is well seasoned. And I'm going to use actually, this is a cast iron wok. And I haven't used this wok too often, but I really like this wok because it is a 15-inch wok. It's a little bit larger. So from stir-frying standpoint, it just gives you more room. And make fried rice is a great way to do it. Now, here I'm going to first saute some onion. Now, normally I do not use onion to make fried rice because onion takes a little bit of time to cook. But however, in this case, I happen to have some onion on hand and I decided I'm going to use it up. And so this again demonstrates the flexibility of using different kind of ingredients based on what you have on hand. And quite often, the best way to do it is that to use whatever is available, and it's allow you to cook with much greater spontaneity because you can make adjustment very quickly. Now, I'm going to use about 3 cups of rice. Now, this is jasmine rice. They're long grain rice, and this rice has been in the refrigerator for about 48 hours. Now, I'm going to cook this dish differently is how I'm going to cook the egg. Instead of cook the egg in advance, sometimes I do that, but this time I'm going to cook the rice first and then I'm going to cook the egg. Now this allows you to mix the egg much better with the fried rice. In fact, this kind of approach in cooking the fried rice usually refers as a golden fried rice because the egg yolk will blend with the rice and give the rice a golden color. Now, I put a little bit of oil in the middle of the wok so that there's enough oil to fry the egg. I'm going to crack the egg directly into the wok. Now, you can beat it up in advance if you would like, but in this case, I'm going to just mix everything together all in the wok. Now, egg is turned out to be an important part of fried rice, and there are many different kinds of to add the egg to the rice. Now, in this case, you notice that I just simply break up the egg and I let the egg to fry just very briefly so that the egg will at least slightly form. Now again, like I said, I immediately then mix the egg with the rice. You notice that because the yolk is still quite soft, it actually mixed directly with the rice and color the rice in such a way it gives the rice a golden yellow color. And then I add some frozen vegetable mix. Now, frozen vegetable mix is always great to have around because it's easily blend into the fried rice since it's already in the perfect size for you to make fried rice. So from that standpoint, I always have some frozen vegetable. And the best way to cook the frozen vegetable with the fried rice is not to thaw it out. In fact, just add the frozen vegetable directly into the wok, and this will allow it to thaw out together while you cook them. Okay, next I'm going to use the ham, and actually I use the entire can of ham, which is about 1 pound. Again, you can use less if you like to. The reason I use quite a bit because, like I mentioned, that my son really loves this type of a fried rice. It has great flavor. If you have never tried before, it is something for you to give it a try. Now, I chop up the egg into little chunks, and you notice that because the way how the ham is come in, you can actually cut them in any size you want, and the small chunk size of the ham actually gives the ham really great flavor, and it mixes extremely well with the fried rice. Now this dish is extremely fast to cook because everything is already pretty much all ready to go. The frozen vegetable, all you need to do is basically warm it up to the room temperature, and the ham is already cooked. As the only thing that you really need to cook is the egg, and as well as the onion, which I added in the beginning. If you skip the onion, it will cook even faster. But as you can see in here, you really cannot tell the egg apart from the rice because the egg blend directly into the rice. Now, for some individuals, they much prefer this approach to cook the egg. But for some other people, they would like the egg in the more distinctive pieces. And this is how my wife likes it. Now, personally, I really don't mind either way. But this distinction actually can make quite a bit difference from the personal preference standpoint. So I think by having this possibility, you can always exchange the method and cook it differently. And this is which is an indication of how you apply template-based cooking, because you really do not need to have a recipe, and all you have to do is to have this basic template. One is that you fry the egg first, and the second template is that you mix the egg directly with the rice before they get fully formed. Now, a few stir, the dish is pretty much ready. Now, you can season the dish in many different ways, but this dish already has great flavor because of the ham, which adds saltiness. So I'm going to add some of my Wok with Tak basic seasoning mix. The Wok with Tak basic seasoning mix will really add umami flavor to the fried rice. And if you have not tried before, you should give it a try because it will provide some really nice flavor. So that's it. And the dish is very fast to cook. It takes only about 5 to 6 minutes. And cooking in the wok will allow you to stir everything and mix it up really quickly. And again, there are different ways to cook the fried rice. One important significance, as I've shown here, is when you season the fried rice, one thing that I do not want to do is that to create too much moisture in the fried rice. Now, in this case, this fried rice will be more moist than compared to if you cook the fried rice by cooking the egg first. In this case, once the egg is cooked, it's more dry. But in this case, the egg directly mix it with the rice and give the rice a much more softer and moist texture. Again, this is important part of flavor chasing that will allow you to make adjustments according how you prefer it. Okay. So I post a video each day to help you to make home cooking as part of your daily routine using my fast cooking system. The fast cooking system provides you with the tools to create the flavor that you enjoy. And so if you'd like to learn more about the fast cooking system, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. So keep on cooking, and I will see you tomorrow.